I'm sure that you must be coming from really different backgrounds, right? Yes. From engineering and BSc and BB and everything. So this is kind of a different course, and you'll get to learn a lot.
Content, but also on the teaching style and learning objectives and things like that. So very many things.
They don't expect you to know all the products across the board, across industries.
Right.
Whichever industry that you do happen to join, be it automobile or be it fashion.
Study with students. Tunnel has an amazing brand experience store in London. The video is available at YouTube. You can just have a look at it.
It has a huge variety abroad.
These blends are produced and collected from the best tea farms.
The customer that you're dealing with is far more powerful, he's far more rich, he's far more knowledgeable than you're just a small speck in front of him.
I was in Mercedes when I was hiring the team. I didn't have budget to hire all the sales managers at maybe 60, 70, 80,000 rupees.
Motivation behind taking up space at Oberois first, and then doing it.
We will transit over this 10 months and become a luxury professional, which we have learnt the difficult way. We had to, for us to change this mindset, we did not have Abhay or Akshay telling us what to do. We had to learn it on our own, we had to struggle. But you guys have got such an institute which will handhold you to the world of luxury.
Looks at his watch and says that I have 17 minutes precise, and quickly, and he said something which I didn't understand.
Hi everyone, I'm Chaitanya, and today I'm going to share my 3 days experience in the induction program in LCBS. All these 3 days was amazing. The first day was an ice-breaking session where we met our new college mates and some of the friends we got as early as possible. And on the second day, where we went to the industry, where we had experience at the next level of luxury in the fine arts and crafts and different fields like real estate, then after hospitality, like various fields we went and we have experience at the next level of luxury. And on the third day, all those professionally managed heads from all over the India came to us, and we had a long session with them. So where we got a chance to interact with them, I have asked some of the questions. They have told how the luxury is operating. So all this was a fantastic journey, and looking forward for the rest of the days in LCBS. And coming to the before coming here, my complete prospect of luxury is only the expensive side, and after coming here my mind has changed. Luxury is not an expensive, it is the blend of fine art and taste. Thank you.